Hello, my friends. Thank you so much for being here. I just wanted to show you all a quick little lunch that you can make in just a couple of minutes. And it's kind of a fun thing to do with the kids, or if you're having company over, you could just put everything on one big platter, have your nori sheets ready, and people can make them themselves. It doesn't matter if they're not perfect, it's totally fine. So basically, we have our nori, and you will find it in the grocery store, and it will come in a large sheet like this. So you just wanna cut it in half with either a scissor or a knife. So you have your nori sheet, and you're gonna start with it with the shiny side down, and you're just gonna fill it with whatever you want, and that's it. And so I've made a few fun things. I made a sauce out of mango and a little bit of curry, a little bit of sesame oil, and some salt and pepper, and I think that was it. Maybe I put a little ginger in there. Okay, so we're gonna keep out the rice today. Although, you could make a quinoa, you could use a brown rice, but today we're just gonna keep it all vegetarian. So we're gonna start with a little piece of Bibb lettuce as our bed. So that will go first, and then go ahead and layer anything you want. You could even put salmon or shrimp if you want. You could do smoked salmon, you could do, fresh. So I'm just gonna do some avocado, some carrots, and I'm going to do a little bit of cabbage. I have some delicious mango here that I'm gonna add, some scallion. You don't wanna make it too big because then you won't be able to roll it up. So let's just see how this goes. I also have some beautiful black sesame seeds. Oh, and one other thing that I did add to my sauce is hemp seed, so that I'm building in some protein. I also have some hemp seed here. I will go ahead and sprinkle those on as well. You can also take some fresh ginger and just grate a little bit of that on top for a little zip. And I'm gonna add some of my delicious mango sauce. Okay, so now that you have it all on one half of your nori, go ahead and slide your hand under it. And then you just wanna take the corner that's closest to you and pinch it over, if you guys can see, and then just keep turning, and that's it. And now you have a cone. Now I have a little water here, so you could just go ahead and put water on the corner and squeeze it down, and there you have it. Can you see? Beautiful nori sandwich. All right, so that's it. That's our quick little tip for today. Enjoy. Very good.